So this is a video if you guys have been wondering what the hell I've been doing lately. So if you don't know what this is, which you probably don't, I've built a ghetto but working capacitive discharge or resistance welder. What this does is it sends out a huge burst of current down these two wires, 12 gauge wires in parallel, and these copper leads, solid copper leads that I've got from Home Depot. And this is powered by 1.5 volt. It's pretty much a huge solenoid. It's called a thyristor, an SCR. And what that does is essentially welds things together. I've actually got a few examples of them right here. See if that focus can focus in. As you can tell, they aren't the prettiest of all welds, but they do hold brilliantly. And when I get air gaps, as you can tell, it actually blows bits of that away. Now, I've actually run out of these battery tabs, but you get the point. Now, this is for the hybrid go-kart, okay? Now, the biggest problem I'm having is amperage issues. Now, what you have to understand are, these are LiCo cells, lithium cobalt. Now, the point of these are they're very dense power-wise. These are roughly, I know they say, where is it? Focus, come on. See if I can block everything on the side. Here we go. Okay, I know they say 3,800 amp hours. Okay, I just lost it again. 3,800 amp hours, but the problem with this is it's not actually. They're roughly 2 amp hours at best to put, well, that's all the power they can stuff in these. What I've been told is these are actually rebranded failed cells from even crappier manufacturers. And what they did is rebrand the failed QC cells and sell them to idiots like me. Well, I am one of those idiots, and that's what I've been doing, buying up these cells by the bunch. I've already bought roughly 100 or so. I need another 400 or so. I'm charging 2 of them right now in this charger. I've already broken one charger from doing it. They're like these little tabs that you have to pull back and put the battery in. Like you can see them right there. And I've just like ripped them out from just numerous uses. I've been charging roughly like 4 or 6 a day. I'm slowly doing it. So I've run out of tabs for now. But anyways, what I'm doing is welding them up in parallel for a 10 amp hour pack. These are all 3.7 volts which nominal and 4.1 volts fully charged. Okay, so if you think about it, 2 amp hours, 5 of them in parallel, 10 amp hours. Okay, this is a completed one. This one hasn't had the ends, the negative side welded. This has. Okay, and this one it has as well. And these are just loose cells that I need to get working. And these are just random laptop cells. Don't worry about that. So these are all for the electric go-kart, and I still need 400 more. Now, what you're wondering is, what does this create? I've got it right here. This is what I'm actually planning on creating. This isn't even done. That's the thing. This is only roughly 40, 50, 60 volts. I forgot. I think it's around 60 volts. Now, these are all just 3.7 volts, and they're just wired in series like that. There's more welds on the bottom. And that's pretty much all it is. I've ran out of these tabs already. I've already used roughly 200 of these. And I need roughly 4 more of these. And I'm not even done with this one. So you can tell the amount of cells that I just need. Roughly, I guesstimate around, there's like around 80 or 90 in just in this. And I've done this in roughly a week using my DIY ghetto capacitive discharge welder. Now, like I was saying, I have major amperage issues because I actually have the motor right here. Okay, now the problem with this is, pardon the pencil, this thing draws some massive amps. That's actually a good use right here. You can kind of tell how big the motor is. This is, I believe, 6 inches or so in diameter.